We are going to look at this problem. The order is for dobutamine 500 milligrams in 250 mils of D5W to infuse at 10 mics or micrograms per kg per minute. The client weighs 65 kilograms. So it's asking us to calculate the flow rate in milliliters per hour. Okay, so to calculate 10 mics per kg per minute, we need the weight of 65 kilograms. So 10 micrograms times 65 kgs is going to be equal to 650 micrograms per minute. Okay. Then it tells us that our concentration is 500 milligrams in 250, so we need to convert milligrams to micrograms. So 500 milligrams becomes 500,000 micrograms per 250 mils. Okay. The other thing we could do would be to convert this 650 into milligrams, which would be 0.65 milligrams. Okay. So you can do either one that you want to. So if we did this, we would have an order for 0.65 milligrams times, this is dimensional analysis, so we would just cross multiply that out. So 0.65 times 250 is equal to 162.5 divided by sorry, my calculator's messing up. And we get 0.325 milliliters, and this is per minute, because remember when we calculated it out it was per minute. So then we multiplied this times 60 minutes, and that gives us a rate of 19.5 milliliters per hour. All right. And for this particular problem, we can't do drops per minute because it doesn't tell us what our drop factor is. So we can look at another problem to work backwards. Or let's just work this problem backwards. All right, say they tell us that our rate is 19.5 milliliters per hour. Our weight is 65 kilograms. And then it tells us our concentration is 500 milligrams per 250 mils. And we need to figure out what the micrograms per minute is, okay? So we got to figure out what we know. We know that we have 19.5 milliliters per hour, and our available concentration is 250 mils per 500 milligrams. Okay, so we cross this out, And that gives us 39 milligrams per hour. Okay. And then, so we have our weight. Let's see. Okay, so we end up with 10 mics per kg per minute, which is what we started off with in the problem. Okay, so you just have to work your way backwards. You go with what you know. So we knew that we had 19.5 mils per hour in our concentration, and we calculated that out to get 39 milliliters per hour. Then we needed to know how many milligrams or micrograms per kg. So we divided that by the weight, which gave us 0.6 milligrams. Then we converted that to micrograms, which became 600 micrograms. And then we divided it by 60 minutes to get micrograms per kg per minute. Okay? Hope that helped.